I'll be showing you how to add Instagram stories to your Instagram profile. So if you go to your profile, you can actually add some of your favorite stories here, and that feature is called highlights. And so to add those, just go to your profile and then tap on the three-line button in the top right corner and under settings and activity. Go and find archive, and here make sure you select stories archive. And this is going to show you all the stories you ever posted on your Instagram account. So you want to make a collection. If I come here and select one of this, I can just tap on highlight and start creating a new highlight using that. I just tap on add, tap on view on profile, and you can see that story has been added to my profile. Now I can go to it anytime and then tap on edit. So tap on more and then edit highlight. And I can go adding more stories to this highlight and select this item, that item, and maybe even that item. And all these are going to be added to the same story, so can tap on done. They're going to be added to the same highlight, which is a collection of Instagram stories. So that is basically how you can add Instagram stories to your Instagram profile.